A lot of things have changed in the business industry since the pandemic happened. Not only that we are combating several COVID-19 variants, but we're also battling with the inevitable floods. Since dealing with flooding is our expertise, one of the good things that happened to us this year is that we're able to learn more about our consumers' needs, and we learn how to deeply connect with them. We are grateful for this year because we have continued our business as usual. Despite of the challenges into the economy, we are one of the many companies that did not close nor halt our operations. Our undying belief in protecting properties is what makes us thrive, even in the middle of a pandemic.
Anyone wants to be flood protected. That's the truth. We are grateful because we are one of the many companies that provide flood solutions as a way of protecting people from the danger of floods. We are able to provide flood solutions locally and internationally, starting from residential, commercial, public facilities, industrial, and many more. We are able to provide satisfaction and relief on our customers. This always reminds us of why we are called the flood experts. We care more about the safety of the people and the fruits of their labor. We know what they truly need.
This year, we have flood protected various properties, not just in the Philippines, but in different parts of the world. We have provided flood control solutions on 2 different hospitals. That is one of our major projects this year. We have also protected various residential properties in the Philippines. One of them is the house of the popular TV and radio personality, Mr. Arnel Ignacio. We also protected pharmaceutical and manufacturing companies overseas like in China, Cambodia, and India. We have flood protected one of the Philippines' prestigious universities, the Far Eastern University Roosevelt in Marikina, Philippines. We are grateful because we achieved this part of the year knowing that we provided peace of mind to those people.
Dear customers, suppliers, business friends, collaborators, and all flood defenders. 2021 was the second pandemic year and most probably not the last. It was again a year full of challenges, but we are grateful because we were still able to reach our customers through various webinars. These are the family owners who want to protect their homes against the damage of flood. These are the business managers who want to keep their business ongoing. These are the public leaders who want to protect their critical infrastructure and their citizens. And these are the architects and engineers who create the climate change addressing design for flood protection in their plans. It was a challenge to meet all these people in person due to the pandemic restrictions all over the world. Many of them could get the important and innovative information, how to protect their buildings and critical infrastructure through our free webinars, such as a flood protection for house owners in the Philippines, a house owner's guide to total flood protection in Malaysia, and the Philippine Flood Management Virtual Summit. Followed by flood protection in India, in China, in Southeast Asia, in Australia, and in New Zealand. I want to express my gratitude to the European Chamber of Commerce. Amongst all the projects we could carry out, let me mention 2 particularly important ones for the Philippine society, for the Filipinos, but perhaps also for foreigners in the country. The Junior Memorial Hospital in Dinalupiam in the province of Bataan and the health center in Mazantol in the province of Pampanga were protected with German flood barrier solution through the help of the German government. I want to thank the German ambassador, Her Excellency Anke Reifenstuhl, for her never-ending support and enthusiasm to make this project a success. Both the hospital and the health center are COVID-19 facilities. It is already a disaster to be a COVID-19 patient, but it is a tragedy to arrive at the hospital and to find it flooded from the previous heavy rainfall or typhoon. But the good news now is all people around the Junior Memorial Hospital in Dinalupiam and in Mazantol do not have to worry anymore. This is our mission. I want to protect 10,000 buildings in Asia until 2030 against the damage of flooding. Thank you for trusting us in protecting what means the most to you. May you continue to trust us in the coming years as well.